Welcome to this video, Learning Machines. In this video, I am going to try to make $30,000 in 24 hours. Let's go! All right, now I'm going to try and basically build a funnel. A funnel is like a website that sells stuff. I'm going to sell basically digital products. And I'm going to run YouTube ads, okay? Hopefully it works out, who knows? Guys, when building my campaign, I basically had a $10,000 budget and I basically made AdWords YouTube account and I ran in-stream YouTube ads, very broad, and I was inside the keto niche and I absolutely crushed it. You will see exactly what happens inside this video. Let's go!
2 hours later.
All right, guys, here's the video I found. I'm going to use this video basically for the ad, and it's one of the best videos out there for women, keto diet niche in general. Okay, like this should work. I'm going to put in my URL here, but I don't want to show it, sorry. Keeping it secret and all that stuff or whatever. It looks like, zoom in on this real quick. This is basically how many views are possible here. How many people can actually see this, okay? Now, if we break down the numbers, my funnel, okay, what I'm selling, the average order value should be around 30 to 40 bucks. We're gonna need, if I do a calculator,
A lot of boring math later.
to make like 40 grand is the main goal here, okay? Because we're gonna put in $10,000 today and get it approved. It's early morning right now. We gotta get this approved. So divided by, let's say, average order value of like 35 bucks, okay, is the goal here. We just need 1,000 people to buy.
Oh my god! Wow!
This is very doable because it's going to be seen as a new product. It's going to be very much so. It's going to be like, there's going to be a lot of urgency and scarcity involved here, and it should be very, very effective.
Just then.
What the heck? Dude, I think the power just went out. What the? Oh my gosh, what? I can't see anything right now. Oh my gosh, I think the Wi-Fi's out as well. So, let me check the Wi-Fi here.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, my power just went out. I don't know if my whole neighborhood's out, but I was wondering what happened. Oh man. Okay. It might be a few hours. Okay. Well, looks like the electricity's back. I left on my light, so if the electricity comes back, then you'll just turn on the light, and here we are. Here we are. Let's get back to work then. Dang it. I just got the Wi-Fi back, and I'm checking my campaign status, and it looks like it's ineligible, under review, and the campaign's removed. So I'm going to retry, reset up things, and hope for the very best. All right, guys, I'm going to quickly rebuild this campaign. All right, guys, I just sent it in basically to get it approved. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to the grocery store and hopefully it'll be approved by then. I mean, they're super fast. If you spend a lot on basically YouTube ads or even Google ads, they approve it super fast because they want to serve you the best, okay? And so hopefully it'll get approved. I'm going to go to the grocery store. When I come back, everything should be good. My laptop, everything I had is gone. Yes. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna see if it was approved, if we're gonna make money, what's happening. What in the? Where is my laptop? What the hell happened here? Did I forget to lock the freaking house? Ah! Freaker! This is stupid, dude. Who did this? My laptop, everything I had is gone. They didn't even take the books. I would have taken the books if I were them. This is so stupid. They just left the lights here. What the frick, man? Dude, you seen this? Doesn't make sense. I gotta call the cops, man. I gotta figure out what the heck is going on. Dude, this was unlocked. This was unlocked. That's it, I need to call the cops. I'm gonna call 911. Hello? Yeah, I think I've just been robbed. Yes, my address is. Yeah, I live there. Please come on. I think they broke in through my back door. I had it unlocked. I was stupid, but.
Enemy spotted.
I have no information on if they. Anything about it, I don't know their demographic, I don't know who they are. I have no info, I'm sorry, but please, if there's any way, they stole about $1 million in cash, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, so. Woo!
understand it. Who are you?
He took my laptop, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I want this to work so bad, you know? And I can make the money back. It's just that's a lot of flipping money. That's a threat to my safety. I'm gonna keep going forward with this, obviously. It's not like... I think the cops, they can get it back. I think the police do good at their job. I think we can do this, but... I'm just gonna keep moving forward with this video because I believe that I can do this 100%, no problem. I've done this for clients, I've done this for other people, I can do this for myself. I've got other campaigns running all the time. I've got other income streams in place, but... This is freaky. I don't know what to do. This is very serious, so I'll have to think about even doing this video. But anyway, cut the camera off. We gotta figure this out though. Alright guys, quick update here. The cops are still looking for whoever it is who took my laptop and my money and all my other stuff. But so I'm gonna basically pull up my campaign so it gets approved. Okay, it is approved. That is a relief. Very glad. It hasn't received much traffic yet, if at all, but I'm going to, you know, hope for the best, see if it's profitable. It's got to run today, and hope for the best. I literally am at rock bottom. I don't know what to do. It's so crazy. This is so unexpected right now, man. It's whatever. You know, I'm just gonna go to bed, and hopefully I'll feel better too today. And do it! Hopefully the cops will look it up. Alright, Learning Machines. I'm gonna go check to see if the campaign is approved, and I'm gonna go see what happened with it all. Hopefully it, you know, made 3x to 4x ROI, I hope. And I haven't gotten any updates from the police yet, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna go check in my computer. There we go. Man, I hope this worked. Okay. Oh, guys, this is insane. Here you go. You see, $42,000. I put in $10,000. It spent around like $9,000, and I've completed the challenge. This is insane.